diamond shine, cause they really diamonds. Bad bitches in line, they be really trying. They ask me if I'm high, I say really, really. Got money on my mind, I say really, really.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Keyfang, and clearly I'm back with another video, you know what I'm saying? So, from what you can tell by the title, I'm about to do this smash or pass on the Monkey app, you know what I'm saying? Now, of course, I put that I'm a female on the Monkey app, so majority of niggas pop up. So, I'm gonna cut out all the niggas because I'm not asking them shit. All I care about is the females and whether they would smash or pass. So, let's get on this Monkey app, you feel me? And let's get it busted. Oh, wait. Before this video gets started, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to this channel already. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I mean, I don't have a big audience, so I can't do the post notification shout out, but you know, more subscribers, you know, I start doing that, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, if you don't know, I'm ready. If you don't know who I am, you know, go check out my first video, my new YouTubers tag or whatever, you know what I'm saying. Check out my other videos, my last two previous videos are going to be in the description down below. Add me on my social media, it'll be down in the description below. Alright, y'all, let's get into the video. Alright, screen recording happening in 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, let me know what y'all think. I've never done this hairstyle, you know, because my hair is so thin, so I thought it would look weird because my braids look tiny. But if y'all fucking with it, you know, let me know what y'all think about my hair. But yeah, Yo. Alright, clearly I was just thought I wasn't gonna ask her if she was smash or pass me. Next. Like I don't even like getting on this Monkey app because all these niggas be popping up. Like I don't want to talk to niggas. They be trying to talk to me and shit. Alright, we got one. Wait. She look like a stud. I'm gonna skip her. Yo. Hey, I got a question. So I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
Pass.
Alright. Couldn't see her anyway. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
I'm doing this YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
Smash.
Appreciate it. I'm from Chicago, but I stay in Virginia. Add me as a friend. Hit me up on Snapchat.
Y'all snack connected, huh?
Yeah,
I got you.
I bet.
Alright.
Okay. I hate when the fucking Monkey app do this shit. No. Alright. Okay, they scared me. Damn. Okay. Yo. Hey. Add more time. Add more time. So I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
Smash.
Smash. Appreciate that. Add me as a friend. Add me on Snapchat. Hit me up.
Alright, I got you.
Alright. Okay. Hopefully we get like a good 10. You know, 15. I don't know if this is good, but we gonna hit it. Okay. They ended admitted it, so I assume that was a stud, you know. Okay. Okay, they scared me. Monkey got me tripping. Like, these motherfuckers be tripping. Okay, we got one. Come on, man. Alright, y'all. So far, it's decent, you know. Of course, it's gonna take me a minute to do this video because I got hella niggas popping up on my shit and I'm skipping every last one. I don't want the females think, you know. I mean, comment below if y'all want me to do a video and see where the niggas would smash or pass me and I do it. But, you know, I like girls, so I'd rather get a girl's opinion, you know what I'm saying? But if y'all want to see a video where I do monkey video or whatever, and I ask dudes whether they would smash or pass me, just comment below and I'll do that for you. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
I'm doing this YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
Pass.
Damn. You passed me, bro. Okay, she 15, but it's whatever. It's not like I'm fucking thing. Yo. Hey, I'm doing this YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me? Okay, didn't answer. Okay. All these fucking niggas. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Yo.
Hey.
I'm doing this YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
Oh, shit.
Yep.
Smash.
Smash? Bet that up. Alright, add me as a friend, add me on Snapchat, hit me up, you know.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Ah. Yo. Add more time. So, are you a stud? You right here?
Huh?
You a stud? No, you. No? Okay. So I'm doing a YouTube video, and I was wondering whether y'all would smash or pass me.
Destiny? Go ahead. Respect.
Okay. What about you?
Same.
Okay. Add me as a friend. Add me on Snapchat. Hit me up, y'all.
Alright.
Alright. Alright. Yeah. I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
What?
Would you smash or pass me?
I will smash.
Okay. Okay. Yo.
Hi.
What's up, y'all?
Good.
At time.
Yeah,
Alright, y'all. So I'm doing this YouTube video. Huh?
Oh, you what?
Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video. Would y'all, or would you specifically, would you smash or pass me?
Wait, am I on the camera? Like, can they see my face?
Nah. I mean, I'm screen recording, so I mean, I'm gonna put that in the video.
Okay. Oh, alright. Yeah, sure. I'll smash you. So you asked me what would you say?
Okay. I mean, I really, I mean, you can give your opinion if you want to. You know.
Yeah, what's your YouTube channel though?
Kifame, Kifame.
Keep bang.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll
Alright.
check that out though. So,
Alright, you gonna see yourself in my video.
add me as a friend.
Okay.
Add both of us.
I did.
She did.
Alright, add me on Snap, y'all. Check me out. Hit me up.
Alright. Okay,
Alright.
bye.
Bye.
That's it.
That that was kind of weird because I didn't want to tell him like I only wanted her opinion, but I didn't want to be mean. You know, I'm not a mean person, you know. So I was just like, you can give your opinion. Yo, I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me? Add time. I said I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
You?
Me.
Smash.
Smash. That's what's up.
Yes.
Add me as a friend. Add me on Snapchat. She like a little girl. That's okay, yo. Yo. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm on a YouTube video. Would y'all smash or pass me? Yeah. Would y'all smash or pass me?
Smash or pass? Smash.
Smash.
Shit out of me.
Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'm not gay, but she's a girl, so. Alright, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright. Since it's like, I'm not gonna put it in the. Shut up! I'm not gonna put it in the pussy because, you know, that's not right for you. So I'm gonna do anal. Sorry, but he's just a really, like, idiot. You don't got brains. I just got a big dick.
Okay. Add me on the snap, y'all. Hit me up. I bet. I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm 20. Y'all good. Bye. They funny. These little kids funny, y'all. Yo. Okay. Y'all, this crazy. Skip to my new, skip to my new, skip to my new. Oh shit. My bad. Yo.
Yep.
So I'm doing this YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
I will smash.
You smash? That's what's up. She was actually in Richmond, y'all. That's like 2 hours away from me. Okay. Yeah, god damn. 19, Nicole. Okay, she skipped me. She looked a little thick too.
Hi.
Hi, what's up? So I'm doing this YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
I say no. Sorry.
You good? Sound like a little ass kid. Yo. So I'm doing this YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
How old are you?
20.
I'm only 14.
I mean, it's only like, it's not literal, you know, if you get what I'm saying. But
What'd you say?
I was saying, like, it's just your opinion. It ain't like we gonna actually do nothing, you know what I'm saying? But
Smash, cause you cute.
you said what?
Smash, cause you are cute.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Like,
Yo,
ace the horn.
I'm doing, okay. Got reported. I didn't even do nothing. I reported. It's tiring because all these niggas, like, these niggas. Yo.
Hello.
Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
I say smash.
That's what's up. Appreciate it. Okay, this is gonna be my last one. Hey,
Hey, kind of freak.
Key. It's Key the Freak.
Oh, Key the freak.
But I'm doing this add time. So I'm doing a YouTube video. That's right. So I was wondering if you would smash or pass me.
Oh, I was next.
You would smash?
Yeah, I was next.
That's what's
What did you
up.
do?
Key Fame. So K-I space F-A-M-E.
Alright. I'm gonna subscribe.
Alright, add me as a friend. Add me on Snapchat.
Alright, big.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye. No, I said other one about last. Oh wait, it's another girl. Okay. It's my last one. I'm Hey, what's up?
Holy fuck.
Thank you. I'm doing the YouTube video. Would you smash or pass? Well, she said I'm fine, so I assume she'll smash. Yo, what's good? Add time. What's up, y'all? So, I'm from Chicago, but I stay in Virginia. But y'all, I'm doing this YouTube video. Would y'all smash or pass me? Smash or pass?
Well, I can do the. Matter of fact, I can do the YouTube video because I'm that bitch. What's up? Well, what I gotta say?
Smash or pass me?
Smash. You?
Me.
I smash.
That's what's up.
What's your YouTube? What's your YouTube?
Key Fame, K-I-F-A-M-E.
Hold on. Somebody get his phone. Let me get my. Alright, so what's K-Y?
K-I space F-A-M-E.
I-F-A-N-E.
M-E.
Okay.
Alright, y'all.
See ya. Bye. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Alright, y'all. So that was my last one. Great way to end out. Well, great way to be the last person, you know what I'm saying? So, like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. I'm going to try to post more often. I promise. You already know what to do. I'll see y'all next video, alright? Peace.